Hey everyone, let's talk about your rights and how we as police officers are supposed to respect them. These aren't just suggestions, they're fundamental human rights that apply to everyone, no matter what. And keep in mind that laws might be slightly different depending on where you are, but the core principles are the same. First off, everyone has the right to live. It's the most basic right there is. And for us, that means we can't just take a life, as we can only use lethal force if it's absolutely necessary to protect someone's life from an immediate threat, and even then, it has to be a proportionate response. This one's pretty straightforward. We can't torture anyone ever, which means no physical abuse, no cruel or degrading treatment to get someone to confess, intimidate them, or as punishment with things like beatings, electric shocks, sleep deprivation, and denying medical care all being off limits. Slavery and forced labor are illegal, period. Our job is to prevent and investigate this, not to be involved in it in any way, shape, or form. You have the right to be free and safe, and we can only arrest or detain someone if we have a legitimate reason, like suspicion of a crime, while having to follow the proper legal process, meaning we can't just pick people up off the street for no reason. If you're accused of a crime, you're entitled to a fair trial, and as police, we have to respect that right during our investigations, making sure you have access to a lawyer and letting you know you have the right to remain silent. Everyone has a right to privacy, which means we can't just barge into your house and start searching without a good reason, usually needing a warrant based on solid evidence to search your home or property. You're free to believe whatever you want, and our job is to remain neutral and not discriminate against anyone based on their beliefs, ensuring that you're free to practice your religion as long as you're not breaking the law. You have the right to speak your mind and share your ideas. We can't shut down peaceful protests or try to control what people say, even if they're criticizing us, although there are limits like inciting violence that must be used responsibly. You have the right to gather peacefully and associate with others, which means we can't just break up a peaceful protest because we don't like what people are saying, stepping in only if there's a real risk of violence or major disruption. Everyone is equal under the law. We can't treat people differently based on their race, gender, religion, sexual orientation, or anything like that, meaning we have to treat everyone with respect and fairness.
Stop the cap.
So those are some of the big ones. These rights put limits on what we can do as police officers, and that's a good thing, helping to keep us accountable, ensuring we're acting fairly and protecting everyone's freedoms. If we violate these rights, there can be serious consequences, from criminal charges to lawsuits to getting disciplined at work, because we're here to protect you, and that includes protecting your rights.
Stop the
With
cap.
this understanding, I hope we can work together to build trust and ensure that everyone feels safe and respected in our community, reinforcing that these rights are meant to protect us all. As we move forward, let's continue this dialogue and ensure that we uphold these rights together, fostering a safe space where every voice matters and every person is valued. By educating ourselves and each other about these rights, we can strengthen our community bonds and create an environment where respect and understanding thrive. Together, we can break down barriers and create a culture where everyone feels comfortable reaching out to law enforcement, knowing that we are allies in ensuring justice and safety for all. Listening to one another helps us understand the unique challenges faced by different members of our community, allowing us to respond better and become more effective in our roles. By empowering community members with the tools for conflict resolution, we not only enhance public safety but also promote a culture of cooperation and dialogue. Programs like these cultivate future leaders and strengthen our community fabric, ensuring that everyone has a stake in maintaining safety and justice for all. By reaching out to students in schools, we create an atmosphere where young people can feel empowered to express their concerns and aspirations regarding their rights and community safety. Engaging in activities like neighborhood cleanups not only beautifies our community but also reinforces the idea that we all share responsibility for creating a safe and welcoming environment. Events like these foster transparency in policing, allowing residents to see firsthand the dedication and hard work that goes into keeping their community safe. Building strong relationships with local businesses strengthens community ties and ensures that everyone is working together towards a common goal of safety and prosperity. Taking part in cultural festivals allows us to connect on a deeper level, appreciating the unique contributions each individual brings to our shared community. Collaborative discussions like these are essential for transforming ideas into actionable plans, ensuring that all voices are heard and represented in the pursuit of a safer community. By attending town hall meetings, we foster an open dialogue where community members can express their needs and suggestions, creating a partnership between law enforcement and the citizens we serve. Mentorship programs are vital for empowering young people, providing them guidance and support as they navigate their future paths and reinforcing positive relationships with law enforcement.
Roll up and let's build, King Oz. The world don't smile easy. You gotta craft it, even when it's broken. So we light it, we learn, and we rise through the ashes. Ride the smoke,